So we made it to Kobi.
It still hasn't rained.
But it's lightning everywhere. Yeah.
It's 8:22 p.m. and we've never been to this restaurant ever before. But I had really good reviews on TripAdvisor. We're going to show you a bit of the lightning.
Yeah, let's do that.
Just the front of the restaurant as well.
Yeah.
It's literally been lightning non-stop for literally since we left.
VTech kicked in, yo.
An hour ago. Crazy. The clouds are kind of dispersed.
Yeah, we say that. There's still a lot happening up there. Cool, let's go. Let's go eat.
So we've been seated after about 45 minutes and we're very excited and it smells really good.
This looks interesting.
Yeah, this is the miso soup. It's really good.
Cool.
Yeah.
Mind if I just film that? That looks amazing. So, what is this?
This is the spicy tuna roll.
Cool, lovely, very nice.
With jalapenos, apparently.
Nice.
Did they not bring one for me?
What soup you got?
I don't know what it's called.
Oh, okay.
It looks like mushroom, spring onion and like
Okay, we'll try. Yeah, I think it'll be really hot.
Yeah, it's mushrooms, shallots.
Okay.
Here. You want me to get a shot of you too?
Go for it. It's recording. Yeah. That's good.
Steak is better. Oh, okay.
And now, Boss Man's making salad.
That's what my food eats. That's what makes the steak taste so good.
Thank you very much. Nice.
We're gonna do both.
Double white.
Please, double white. This is
Yum
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 sauce.
sauce.
Yum yum sauce.
The other one is a ginger sauce. I prefer the yum yum sauce
Okay.
over everything.
Yeah, let's go for it, yeah.
This stuff's so good they started selling it in supermarkets.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
Yeah, Japanese A1.
Yum yum.
Yes,
It's called
that's what they
yum
call
yum
it.
sauce.
That's brilliant.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have you been here before?
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Not us. No, we
Well,
haven't.
they're
Yeah.
new.
They're from the UK. We've been here a lot this summer.
Yeah, on Thursdays.
We love you. Japanese microwave. Hot microwave. Don't go at home. Yeah, now we got Starbucks. Right? Rice bar? Wow, it's Japanese Uncle Ben. And butter.
Yeah.
Everything better with butter.
It's hard to film. You're game in it.
If you don't like it, don't look at it. Salt, pepper, garlic.
Yeah, I'm trying to get like formulate like how we do this.
Japanese eggs.
Oh, look at him go.
It's a girl. Now he's a boy. You get it?
Yeah.
Another one. Yeah. Got it. Hey, got me. Chào anh. This is with bacon. Bacon.
Everything's better with bacon.
The Waffle House. Big fire. Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Okay, lean forward. Are you okay? What Japanese eyebrow, huh? Yeah. Let me move this part right there. Next time, let me know I get ready. Okay. So where are you from?
London.
Oh, you get all the way here?
Yeah, just to see you.
How long you here for?
2 weeks.
Right. You enjoy it here?
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, no, it's cool.
You like it?
Yeah.
More butter, more butter, more butter.
So each show is different.
Okay.
They
All it is.
different chefs, different in their shows.
Japanese Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
fun thing you guys did all summer. That's been something we've done all year. All summer long.
Don't blame you.
Nice.
Yeah.
Well, we did it for our anniversary, and then we did it middle of the summer. We're like, oh, this is neat, they're doing this. We didn't realize it was all summer. And then we did it for our anniversary, and then she's like, well, the last night's Thursday, so we might as well go.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to rate you both.
Yeah.
Man was running good. I could
They just film you guys, Dave.
Oh no, I get you guys. It's your vacation.
So tasty. Highly recommend.
Highly recommend this. We're coming out here to do this. It's so good. So good.
You gotta open up your own.
Yeah. I'm gonna make
Yeah,
videos.
we're gonna make some.
I do. Yeah.
Hey.
Hey you guys.
So we just finished at
Kobi.
Kobi Japanese Steakhouse, and it is 10 to 11 at night.
We got here half
Half
8.
8.
Yeah.
We had to wait about 45 minutes for a table.
But oh,
But
it's worth it.
we it's like you sit on a big table with other people, and we met 3 really lovely people who work at Disney.
So
like
it
best.
was Jesse, Justin and Tyler. Yeah.
But yeah, they were so nice, and they helped us pick what to have. And it was actually like the last day for like a 2-for-1. So we got our whole meal. We got steak, chicken, shrimp, rice, noodles, soup, salads. We got it
veg.
all for $40.
Yeah, it's really good.
Are you mad?
Yeah.
But it was so good. I'd highly recommend this place. And it is a bit different from having like burger and chips.
Oh, definitely,
or like
yeah.
pasta, pizza all the time.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
We got a little takeaway bag because I could not finish it. And they had this sauce called like yum yum sauce.
Yum yum.
And it tastes a bit like burger sauce, but they was all raving about it, and apparently you can buy it in like Publix and Walmart. So I think we should definitely try and buy some of that.
Yeah.
But yeah, highly recommend this steakhouse. Had such a lovely evening, and tomorrow we are back at Universal and we've got another horror nights. So we will see you guys
See you then.
tomorrow. And now it's time to pay the price.